Hey fitness fam, it's your girl Shola. I am your fitness instructor here with a quick push-up progression tip for you. So you want to learn how to get from your knees to your toes. I have a nice easy progression for you. So level one, you are going to start off on your knees nice and wide, hand grip a little bit wider, all right? You're going to make sure that your hips are level and even, pushing them in towards the mat. We don't want to slouch, so please don't slouch. So again, knees are wide. I like to keep my toes down. You go down, up, down, up. Now once you have your form alignment down with level one, and you want to progress to level two, you're going to lift a knee, or if you want to take a little bit more advanced, you can lift that leg all together, down, down, up. Once you have your form alignment down with level two, all right, you can take it to level three. Feet nice and wide, hips level and even, down, up, up. All right. Now, before you progress from one level to the next, you want to make sure that you have your form and alignment down and that you can do at least 12 to 15 reps with form and alignment. All right. So try those out. Let me know how you feel. You guys have a great day. I will see you soon.